Final video to solve stalled download issues in qBittorrent. And if your torrents are stuck at 0 or just won't move, stay with me because I'll walk you through every easy fix so you can finally get full speed again. I'm from Rexisht, and I had this same problem before, so I know exactly how frustrating it gets. Are you also facing torrents stuck on stalled or stalled? No seeds. This happens when qBittorrent can't connect to enough peers, or when something on your PC or network blocks the traffic. It can be caused by dead torrents, slow trackers, wrong settings, firewall blocks, or even your router limiting connections. And I know many YouTube or forum guides make it super complicated, but I'll keep this simple and clear. When this happened to me, I fixed it using a few easy tricks. First, I checked if the torrent actually had active seeds. If not, try a different torrent file. Then I went into qBittorrent settings and enabled DHT, PEX, and LSD to increase peer connections. I also added new trackers. This alone boosts speed in seconds. Another trick is to turn off the VPN temporarily, because many VPN servers throttle torrents. And don't forget to allow qBittorrent through Windows Firewall, or it can silently block connections. If your ISP throttles torrents,